The internet has revolutionized shopping. E-commerce is booming, transforming the way we buy and sell goods. Within this vast digital marketplace, niche stores are gaining traction, carving out their own unique spaces. These stores cater to specific interests and passions, offering products that resonate deeply with their customers. They offer a curated selection of products, often hand-picked, to meet the unique needs of their audience. Customers appreciate the personalized touch, feeling valued and understood by these specialized stores. Gone are the days of generic online megastores dominating the scene. Consumers today crave unique, meaningful purchases that reflect their individuality and tastes. This desire for specialization has paved the way for niche e-commerce stores to flourish, offering tailored experiences. These stores focus on specific product categories, often driven by passion and expertise, creating a unique shopping experience. Whether it's handmade jewelry, vintage clothing, or artisanal soaps, niche stores cater to a defined customer base with precision. This allows for a more personalized shopping experience, fostering a sense of community and belonging among customers. In a world saturated with mass-produced goods, niche e-commerce offers a refreshing alternative, bringing back the joy of discovery. Imagine a store reflecting your passions, a place where every item speaks to your interests and hobbies. This is the essence of a niche store, a haven for enthusiasts. Instead of catering to everyone, you focus on a specific group, tailoring your offerings to their unique needs. This could be fans of anime, eco-conscious consumers, or pet lovers. Each group has distinct preferences. By narrowing your focus, you gain a competitive edge. Standing out in a crowded market, you become the go-to destination for your chosen niche, building a loyal customer base. This targeted approach allows for deeper connections with customers who share your interests, fostering community. Instead of competing with giants, you carve out your own space in the market, offering something truly unique. Think about your own interests and hobbies. What excites you? What products do you find yourself searching for online? These could be the foundation of your niche store. Identifying a gap in the market is key to creating a successful niche store. It's about finding unmet needs and fulfilling them. Inventory management can be daunting. Dropshipping and print-on-demand offer solutions. Dropshipping allows you to sell products without holding stock. When a customer orders, the supplier ships it directly. Print-on-demand is perfect for customized goods. Designs are printed on items like t-shirts and mugs only when ordered. This eliminates the need for bulk inventory and reduces waste. Both methods minimize upfront costs and streamline operations. This allows you to focus on what matters most, curating your store and connecting with customers. Imagine launching your dream store without the burden of a warehouse. That's the power of dropshipping and print-on-demand. Section 4. Setting up shop. A step-by-step guide to launching your store. Starting your niche e-commerce journey is exciting. The first step is thorough market research. Identify your target audience and their needs. Next, choose a platform to host your store. Consider factors like ease of use, cost, and customization options. Now comes the fun part, designing your products or curating your collection. High-quality images and compelling descriptions are crucial. A user-friendly website with secure payment options is essential. Don't forget about shipping and return policies. Clear communication builds trust with customers. With careful planning, your dream store will soon be a reality. Section 5. Marketing your niche store. Reaching the right customers. Marketing is key to attracting customers. Social media platforms are your allies. Create engaging content that resonates with your target audience. Use relevant hashtags and collaborate with influencers. Email marketing is another powerful tool. Build an email list and send out newsletters with product updates and promotions. Offer discounts and run contests to attract new customers. Remember, personalization is key. Tailor your marketing messages to your specific niche. By understanding your audience's interests and preferences, you can create campaigns that resonate deeply. Section 6. Cultivating customer loyalty, the power of a specialized brand. Building customer loyalty is essential for long-term success. Niche stores have an advantage here. By focusing on a specific audience, you can create a strong brand identity. Offer exceptional customer service. Respond to inquiries promptly and go the extra mile to resolve issues. Consider offering loyalty programs or exclusive discounts to repeat customers. Personalized recommendations and curated collections make customers feel valued. Remember, a happy customer is more likely to become a repeat customer, spreading the word about your brand. Section 7. A business with growth potential, scaling your niche e-commerce store. This section will guide you through the essential steps to take your niche e-commerce store to the next level. Congratulations on launching your niche store. This is a significant milestone, but it's just the beginning of your journey. The journey doesn't end there. Now, it's time to focus on scaling your business to reach a wider audience and increase your revenue. Continuously analyze your sales data and customer feedback. This will help you understand what's working and what needs improvement. Identify growth opportunities and expand your product line or target new sub-niches. Explore partnerships and collaborations to enhance your market presence. Consider attending industry events and networking with other entrepreneurs. These connections can provide valuable insights and opportunities for growth. The world of e-commerce is constantly evolving. Staying updated with the latest trends is crucial for maintaining a competitive edge. Stay informed about the latest trends and technologies to stay ahead of the curve. This knowledge will help you adapt and innovate. Running a niche e-commerce store is more than just a business. It's about sharing your passion with the world. Your unique offerings can create a loyal customer base. By staying true to your niche and continuously adapting, you can build a successful and fulfilling venture. Remember, persistence and innovation are key to long-term success.